Take a look at this new 2012 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD. For your protection, this vehicle has a full factory warranty. This Silverado 2500 HD boasts an engine, and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Another great feature is that this vehicle uses flex fuel. Additional options for this vehicle include the mirrors, outside high-visibility vertical camper style, black, emissions, federal requirements, GVWR, 9,500 pounds, 4,309 kilograms, rear axle, 3.73 ratio, engine, Vortex 6.0L variable valve timings VE85 compatible, flex fuel and the trailering equipment, heavy duty. Call 866-409-3464 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.